Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Stateful AI with LangGraph. Designing Dynamic Agent Workflows. Imagine talking to an AI that forgets everything you said in the previous sentence. Annoying, right? Most simple AI tools work like that. They take one question, give one answer, and forget. But what if we want AI to have a memory? What if we want it to follow a multi-step plan? Or even change its plan based on what happens? That's what we're tackling today. We're moving beyond simple Q&A to build AI that's smart, remembers, and can navigate complex tasks, just like a helpful human assistant. Think of state as your AI's short-term memory or its current situation. When you're having a conversation, your brain keeps track of the state, who said what the topic is, what's been decided. Without this memory, every sentence would be like starting a brand new conversation. In AI, state means storing information about previous interactions, current goals, or specific data points. This is crucial because it allows the AI to understand context, follow threads, and make decisions based on everything that has happened so far, not just the last input. An AI agent isn't just an AI that answers questions. It's an AI that has a goal and can use tools to achieve that goal. Imagine you have a personal assistant. They don't just answer questions. They can book flights, check your calendar, search the internet, or draft an email. Each of these actions is like using a tool. In the world of AI, an agent is an AI brain, often a large language model, that's programmed to decide when to use which tool, e.g., a search engine, a calculator, a database query, to complete a task. Building a smart agent isn't just about giving it tools. It's about helping it figure out when and how to use them. If a user asks, "What's the weather like in Paris?" the agent might need to 1. Figure out it needs weather info. 2. Identify Paris. 3. Use a weather tool. 4. Get the result. 5. Format it nicely. This sequence of steps is a workflow. But what if the user asks, "What's the weather in Paris? And what does Chaitanya mean?" Now the agent needs to decide whether to use the weather tool or a dictionary tool. And in what order? How do we design AI that can make these complex, dynamic decisions? This is where LangGraph comes in. Think of LangGraph as a special toolkit that lets you draw a detailed flowchart or a decision map for your AI agent. Instead of writing rigid, step-by-step code, LangGraph allows you to define different nodes, which are like individual steps or actions your AI can take, such as decide what to do, use search tool, or answer user. And edges, which are the arrows connecting these steps, dictating the flow. Crucially, these edges can be conditional, meaning the AI can choose which path to take next based on its current state or the outcome of a previous step. The magic of combining state, agents, and LangGraph is creating truly dynamic workflows. Imagine our AI agent is working on a task. It performs a step, updates its state, its memory, and then looks at the LangGraph flowchart. Based on its current state and the rules we've defined in the flowchart, it decides which node, which action or step to take next. It's like a choose-your-own-adventure story where the I is the reader, making choices that branch the story in different directions based on what has happened so far. This makes the AI incredibly flexible and capable of handling complex, unpredictable tasks. Let's visualize a simple LangGraph workflow. 1. User input node. User asks a question, e.g., "What's the capital of France?" Single quote. 2. Decision node. The AI agent analyzes the question and its current state, Does it need a tool? Or can it answer directly? 3. Tool use node. Conditional path. If it decides it needs a tool, e.g., for capital of France, it goes down the use search tool path. The search tool runs, gets the answer. 4. Answer node. Regardless of the path, it eventually arrives at a node to formulate and provide the final answer to the user. 5. Update state and loop. The AI updates its state with this new interaction and waits for the next user input, ready to repeat the process, remembering everything it just did. For you, the developer, mastering stateful AI and tools like LangGraph is like gaining a superpower. You can build AI applications that are not just smart, but truly intelligent and interactive. Think about creating advanced customer service bots that remember your past issues, personal assistants that manage complex projects, or data analysis tools that adapt to new information. This isn't just theory, it's how you build real-world, robust, and much more useful AI systems that can handle real conversations and achieve complex goals, pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.